There's a place in your heart nobody's been. Take me there.
Kit Kat. We're sitting outside. It's about 9:38, and it's kind of breezy. It's also kind of humid, so it's gonna rain. We're gonna shut rain. Feels like it's gonna rain. Can't rain yet. Not today, at least. Kind of breezy. We're just sitting outside. Yeah. Just sitting out here, enjoying the weather. Country. I like it. It fits me. Over yonder, you can see a bird. I'm just kidding with you. That's our southern humor. There ain't no bird over there. Just kidding. No bird. Okay. But yeah, it's breezy, windy. I don't know if you can understand my country sister. It's kind of psycho sometimes. And I'm doing this report with a spatula, or a noodle separator. Whatever the stingy, maybe. Because I like it. And I hope you don't have a problem with that. Because I'm not going to change my microphone. I like it way too much. We're going to the pitching mound with Sarah Taylor. Oh. Ah! That was a foul, folks. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready! Oh, strike one. That was so strike two. That was not strike two. I don't know what was a foul. I'm ready. I'm ready for this one. That was just a home run, folks. Oh my gosh. How amazing is a baseball player is she? Huh. Just excites me. Not a very good one. Hey. I have to admit. So, tennis. Very interesting sport. We were playing baseball. I just thought it was tax sausage. Why do you say cellular? That's such a big word. For you. It's only 8 letters. And 8 letters is so big, why? The word just sounds big. Cellular. Too many L's. Cellular. That's too many L's. 3 L's. Whatever those we call those. Syllables. Hey. Yeah. There's the traffic. It's I need an ambulance. It's a little too late, a little too dark to even tell what the traffic is. I feel like I just got hit by a semi. But yeah, there was trees and we're in my backyard, so there is no traffic. There is no traffic. Yeah, so there's traffic, ladies and gentlemen. Oreo! Don't run from me! Don't run from my love! Don't run from my love! Don't run from my love, Oreo! I think she's running. Oh! Hello. Audrey! You. Oreo ran from me. Oh my gosh, you could not say that.
Quite frankly, I think I did.
Yeah, one message.
Probably telemarketers.
Thanks! Give me all your money!
Why did they say it like that?
Because they want my money!
What money?
The money I don't have. So, what do you want to drink?
What do you have?
Cran, grape, apple juice, milk.
Hershey syrup. Hershey syrup is my drink of choice.
Yeah, there's like not much.
That's my drink of choice. What about coffee creamer?
That too.
That's an awesome thing.
I can get some of that.
Zephyr Hills, the greatest water in the world. The only water left in the world.
You guys will get it up there.
Don't make fun of them because they're in Michigan.
You know, I'm not making fun.
You are. Cinnamon rolls. I used to make those things.
See,
You just crack that thing open?
yeah, I know that.
You stick them on a pan?
Move it, Patty. Hey, don't be attacking me. I got a full... Hey! You little tart. Help! My cat is attacking me.
Oh, come to
Save her! Save her!
Oh, hi!
Come here. You need to be our movie star. Come here.
That was a good heroic deed right there.
I know. Now she won't come to me.
I wouldn't either.
Hey, you didn't. I just fought a ferocious beast. Oh. Next one, though. Where's the beast?
It's underneath the table.
I wait till my beast becomes
Ferocious beast, what do you have to say about all this? What do you have to say about all this, ferocious beast?
that unflippable brat.
Don't call her that. She's offended.
Yeah.
You should. Was that like a midnight snacker for you? Sarah?
Always.
Midnight snack?
And this time of night.
Woo! Frisky treats.
Doodle dang.
That's my favorite stuff. That's my favorite stuff in the whole world.
I understand why I'm so, Huckabee. Huckabee.
Hey, you dropped the frisky treats, please.
But my cat is so much more important.
Then frisky treats, nothing is.
Or do you want frisky treats? Oh, she just bit them. Oh no!
I'm doing a frisky treat.
Yes, frisky, otherwise you want my cat so fast. So fast. Yeah.
Oh, she licked my finger.
I know, that's how she knows how to get down from me. So, you never answered what wait. You never answered what I wanted for, never mind. I never answered what I wanted for something to do. Definitely not SpaghettiOs. Why not? They're pretty darn good if I can see them. Made them myself. That is my love. Do you want it? Yes, my second. Dearest love, and your first love with me. Ha 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 ha. No, that's true. No, it's not. I'm gonna watch my Oscar Spill before you drink.
Now, please
Oh.
inform us
Get ready
how
for
you
this.
do it.
Get ready for this.
Oh.
You ready? Okay. My awesome drink pouring spills. Don't be jealous. It's fine.
Oh, look at that.
Ah, yeah. I'll tell you for a drink.
And you can bring it out like that. I wonder what school she went to.
You
Go to school.
school.
Oh, that means you're stupid?
In a tragic train accident. I never went back. Drink your juice.
I wonder what story that holds.
Do you want to know the story?
Yeah, I do. Please tell our audience in Michigan what happened with the crayon box and crayons.
See, this isn't a true story. But I'm going to make it up at